Okay, so now we've got the car in a position where we can work on it for the next couple of months. It's now up off the ground. We can now take the wheels off, and my next job is basically to take the front axle out and the front springs, dismantle the whole front suspension so we can then examine it, clean it, crack test it. Now that we've done all the soda blasting on it, we can get a good look at the frame and check for any cracks on the mountings. We did find a couple of cracks on one of the engine subframes. The front engine subframe had a couple of cracks in it, which we've now addressed. And once we've done the front axle, stripped, clean, we're going to do some non-destructive testing on it, magnetic particle inspections, so we can check that there's no cracks in any of the steelwork. Then we'll do the same with the rear axle. Once they're both clean, tested, we will then clear coat the bright steel work. There's no need for paint on those. There wasn't any paint originally, so we'll clean that, clear coat it, and then reassemble it. In the meantime, I'm going to fully inspect the chassis, and if we're happy with that, we're going to clear coat that, because when we soda blasted the chassis, we uncovered some interesting building part numbers and things on it, which you'll be able to see on the side of the chassis. So rather than shot blast the whole chassis and clean it and put new paint on it, we want to preserve all of that information. So the best way to preserve it now is to clear coat it. We'll try my clear coat, and then we will then start reassembling everything.